Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple photos to Instagram story. First, open your Instagram app and then tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now, take your photo or choose from gallery. Then tap on stickers on top. Now scroll down and select the plus icon as shown here. Select the photo you want and now adjust it accordingly. This way, you can add as many photos as you like. After you're done adding the photos, just add to your story. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.